This is Eddie, and this is the oil expert from Camfil APC. Eddie takes pride in being the best machinist he can be, and Camfil APC takes pride in protecting him while he does it. Oil is used in all kinds of metalworking to cool, lubricate, and flush metal particles out of the way. In the process, some of that oil turns into mist that creates a health and safety hazard for Eddie and his coworkers. Compared to other fluids like emulsion, oil particles can be really small, and that makes it harder to collect them efficiently. The Oil Expert is designed and built from the ground up to do just that, using a leak-proof, progressive filtration design. The heart of the Oil Expert is the dual CoaPack filters. But before the oil mist makes it there, it passes through a coarse stainless steel mesh filter. This protects the CoaPack filters from metallic dust and chips while acting as a demister, pulling the largest mist particles out of the air. The preliminary and then fine CoaPack filters are next. The wave design provides a maximal amount of surface area for air to flow through and oil mist to collect. This keeps the differential pressure low throughout the life of the filter, which means lower running costs. Air moves through the channels of the wave, funneling the mist particles into a smaller area. This helps the particles to bump into one another, forming larger, easier to collect particles, which then impact the filter walls and collect on the fibers. The collected oil then flows downward through the fibers out of the bottom of the filter into the lower sections. This downward flow keeps the filters clean, which means the filters have an extra long life and even routine maintenance is rare. The high efficiency of the lower stages means the optional HEPA stage doesn't have to do much work, so it is able to have a really long life as well, even with 3-shift operation. Once the air has passed through the HEPA stage, 99.97% of oil particles have been removed and the air is completely safe for Eddie and his coworkers to breathe once it has been released back into the workplace. When it's time for maintenance, the Oil Expert's quick-acting clamps and filter cartridges are designed for quick, tool-free, and clean filter removal and replacement. The modular design of the Oil Expert means a solution can quickly be designed for your needs. And as your needs grow, it's easy to increase your capacity. This system also lets Camfil APC focus on ensuring the quality of all the basic modules, so every unit we ship works at optimal capacity and is guaranteed to be leak-proof. Clean air matters to Camfil Air Pollution Control, and the Oil Expert is just one of the ways we help keep the air safe for people and the environment. To find out more about the Oil Expert and why clean air matters to Eddie and workers like him, visit camfilapc.com.